with a fabulous little stamp and die set. I think it's one of the funnest ways to craft. Maybe because I'm a newbie, but I think that stamping and die cutting, it's just the easiest way to create. I know my children love to do that with me. What we have for you today is an ornament stamp and die set. So talk about something that will be perennial, that you will use year after year. 771259 is your item number. This is from Stamps of Life, and everybody's gonna get 2 of the clear stamp sets. So one with 11 pieces, another one with 10, and then you also get a 12-piece die set included, okay? The founder, the creator of Stamps of Life is Stephanie Barnyard. She is standing by, ready to tell us all about this. Welcome in, Stephanie. What a great little charming set that you will use over and over and over again. Welcome back.
Thank you. Absolutely. You are definitely going to be using this set over and over again. And one of the main reasons, one, is because it's very versatile, but 2, because there are so many different options. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, let me show you really quick over here. These are the dies that you're going to get in the kit. But when you take out this center piece and you put a different disc in, you're getting a totally different look. So let's look over here at the bulletin board here so we can show you. So these are all the different options you're gonna get. You're gonna get a little candy cane, you're getting a tree set, a little star, another little star, you're getting a snowflake, a swirl, the word joy, and the shadow die, and the Noel, and the little pieces up at the top, and then of course those little dies cut out. Then you're also getting the stamps that match. So you can go ahead and die cut using the shadow die. You can die cut all of these fun shapes. You can have you can stamp this in one color and then stamp this in another color. Lots of different patterns, different options. And let me show you this card. This card just proves to you how beautiful this is. Cute. Look at those fun stamped images, and it's 3D. Look at that. You can literally just make them all 3D, all of those fun little patterns, different looks, and look, it's just such a simple card, but it's so stunning. Here's an example of just using the dies. So easy, adding a little glitter paper in there. Now, these are perfect for the slimline cards because look at that, ho, ho, ho. Different ornaments for each O. Isn't that adorable? I absolutely love that one. Then here we have another one that has ornaments just kind of tagged right along, just 1, 2, 3 on our slimline. So easy, so cute. Or you could use pattern paper. Look how cute that is with the pattern paper, adding those ornaments on that pattern paper. So fun. Or just use one ornament if you want to. So look how cute that is. Joy to you. I know, isn't that little guy cute? Now here's another one. You don't even have to use the ornaments. You could just use the circles with other circle dies that you have. And look how cute that is.
Yeah, and I noticed because you do get that little cap that goes on the ornament. So you get that little die that becomes the little hat to the ornament, if you will, right? You pop that on that.
Yes.
But you don't have to use that. You can just go ahead and use those circular dies. Don't forget, not only are you getting the die set, but you're also getting all of the wonderful little stamps and all of the little words in there as well. 771259 is your item number. And Stephanie, you've become well known for the quality of your dies, for the quality of your stamps. You really make it easy.
Yes, I do. And you know what? My whole deal is if it's not easy, I'm not going to do it. So I don't expect you not to do it. But look at how simple. That's just a stamp and die cut and boom, you're done. It's so simple. Anyone can do it. It can run through any die cut machine that takes the wafer thin dies. And look at just how cute that is. Just adding 1, 2, 3, and then your card is done. And it is so simple to use. So here's an example. I just want you to see how easy it is. Here's the die itself. And then you're literally going to drop this in and run it through your die cut machine, and then you're going to get that. Now, what if I want to change that out? I can grab another one, and I can use this one, and I can die cut that through, and then I'm going to get that one. So you can do whatever designs you want, so simple, just by changing those out to get the totally different look each and every time. Here's a cute example here with our little reindeer, just looking at that little ornament, so fun. But what if you don't want to do an ornament? Turn it into a beach ball. Look at that. Put the pointed side down, and look at that. Now you have a beach ball. Isn't that easy? So simple.
I would have never
Here's
thought
our cute
of that.
little gnome.
Yeah. Oh
I know,
my
isn't that
goodness,
fun?
how cute is he?
I know, look at that cute little gnome. I know. You open it up and he's your little card. So easy. I even have a cute little felt garland. You can use these dies to cut wool felt. Look at how cute that little garland is. You could even decorate your tree. If you had enough time, you could put a whole bunch of these on your tree and decorate your tree. But so simple, so easy. And you know what? You're going to be using these over and over again because that's a stamped image right there. And then we just die cut that. And then we got that gorgeous image, nice dark stamps. The stamps are high quality, made in the USA stamps, and look at that gorgeous image that you're getting. You're also getting some phrases as well. Let's go back and look at the phrases. You're getting Christmas blessings, peace, love, and joy. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Christmas wishes, Merry Christmas, ho, 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 joy, and Christmas. So you're going to be using this set over and over again year-round also because, remember, you can turn that into different things if you want. Again, it could even be a beach ball. But look at how cute that is. Just drop these discs instead into a circle that you already have, and look at that. Beautiful, absolutely stunning. I love this die set. It's fantastic.
It reminds me of when I was little. I mean, kids can't keep their hands off ornaments. Our pets can't. I mean, cats, forget it. They just like to swipe at them. We're drawn to them, right? It's so symbolic of the holiday. I think this is the cutest little set. Remember, not only do you get stamps and the words, but you're getting that fabulous die set as well. 771259 is your item number. All new, all exciting. We've got a lot of newness for you during our Merry Craftsmas event. So definitely stand by. 771259 is your item number. I know that Stephanie's not going far.